Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a mini inverter. As you can see, this is our transformer and this is a inductor. We got it inside a PCB board, as you can see. So I make use of 1 2 3 4 4 guys, and we have our loop here. So we are going to cross this wire like this from here to here. So to make it in series, and here will be our output for the AC output guys. So here is our input and here is our ICs. So follow up guys and see how we build this. So guys, as you can see, it has been completed. Here is for the output, and we loop it like this, as you can see, to make it in series. So let's proceed guys. And guys, here is our N-channel Mosfet. We are using IRF 640 N guys. So, and this is 220 ohms resistor. So we are using this single MOSFET for our projects. So guys, let me explain how to connect this. This is N-channel MOSFET, and here is the gate of the MOSFET with a 1K resistor. We are using 1K. So as you can see, red, black, brown. So this is 1K resistor guys. So this 1K resistor connected to the gate, then we are going to connect it here guys. And the middle, which is the drain of the MOSFET, we are connecting it down here. Here will be the positive input and here will be the negative input guys. So as you can see, this is our positive, and here is the negative input for the battery, and here is the AC output. So guys, as you can see, this is the battery we are using. This is 3.7 volt battery, 8000 milliamps in parallel. Two battery guys in parallel. This is our negative and here is the positive. So we are connecting it here, and this is our switch. We are using a switch across it guys. So we are going to connect a wire to the positive or negative across and connect it here. So guys, as you can see, we've already connected it. This is our positive wire, and we connected the switch to it across, and this is the positive input, the middle pin, and here's the negative guys, and here's the negative of the N-channel MOSFET as well. We've connected it. This is our switch, and here's our 3.7 volt battery guys in parallel. So we are going to test it now and see how this thing is working. So guys, we want to give it a try now. Everything has been completed. This is 220 volts bulb, 10 watts, as you can see. So we want to try it now. As you can see guys, our project is working very well, and it was very bright. This is 3.7 volt battery guys, as you can see. and this is N channel Mosfet. So let's try it with this. As you can see guys, it is working perfectly. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video guys. Thank you.